Hi guys, welcome back in the evening with the additional with 7 puzzles. 4 of them I will solve. I've already solved 3 puzzles. The Sudoku with 1 star, the Sudoku with 4 stars, the binary, and it's time for the Tectonic. In today's newspaper of Tuesday, yes, it's still Tuesday, July the 11th, 2023, and this Tectonic will be number 6738. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I've told you earlier, 10 printed digits. The hard ones has 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 10 printed digits. And it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. 30 minutes or more, yeah. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, we'll see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Well, ain't any single boxes here. I see only a dual box here. The dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. More dual boxes here. No. Next question, do we have triple boxes? I see here triple box, there triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1. It should be here, so 1 digit left in the triple box for number 2. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 in the same area, so it can't be 5 anymore. It should be a 4 then. Alright. Yeah, another triple box. I cannot fill those numbers. Need more information. Insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Alright. Next question. Do we have here in this puzzle quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, cannot see any quadra boxes. Well, my next strategy is then to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize here. For example, this shape. Here, let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Only one of them. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? We have an L shape here. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, mirrored, this one is mirrored. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. The L shape. More L shapes here. Upside down, this one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. More L shapes here. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, here another one. Mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Well, it's already filled in here. Alright, do we have more L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box, yeah, this shape. This box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. How about this one? Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. More. Oh, I overlooked this L shape. This box has the same number as that box. Yeah. Overlook this one. Alright. Then, do we have more of this kind of shape? No. Then the following shape, I believe the final shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. Well, the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright, these 3 boxes surround one can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. We have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this area could be here, could be there. Alright. Then. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. I think this box is a no. It's not a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. We have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 should be here, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright. I've marked those 2 boxes in with a 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. This box can be a 1, this box can be a 5, so the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in this area for number 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, yes, definitely a 5. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These are 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Double 1, that means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those boxes, so it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 then should be here. Alright, now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. One box left in this area for number 3. Alright. Then I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. These two boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 5 anymore. We have a double 5 there. If you place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So, and that box is also not a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2. Those two boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well. Come on. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 4, 1. I think this box will be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Well, these two boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay, interesting. Well. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. No 1 there, okay. These two boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area, should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 4. These two boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If you place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this box can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. Alright, so the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Now we have 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes here. Here I've also eliminated the 5. So the 5 should be there then. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4, okay. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. L-shaped area for numbers 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. I mark those two boxes with a 3 and a 4. We have a 4 here. So it can't be 4 anymore. There. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. Alright. Okay. Now we have a 5 here. I've marked those two boxes in with a 5. This box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Alright. These two boxes can be a 2. Oh, wait. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. And this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Yeah. Thinking. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. 3 and 4. That means that this box cannot be 3 or a 4. We have a double 3 there, double 4 there. If I place a 3 or 4 here, I cannot fill any 3 or any 4 in one of those two boxes. Okay, so the 3 and the 4 goes in those two boxes in this L-shaped area. So 1 digit left should be the 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. We have a double 4 there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes, so the 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. These two boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Okay, so the 1, the 4, and the 5 are missing. Okay. I think this box should be a no. Where's the 5 then? Where's the 5? No, I need those numbers here. This box can be a 5, and this box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 and the 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I mark those two boxes with 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These two, these two, yeah, well, I need to wait here. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. Can be a 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. That means we have a double 2 there, and I need a 2 in one of these 3 boxes. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 2. If I place a 2 here or there, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2, can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. These 2 these 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Finished in 18 minutes. Well. 18 minutes. I'm pleased with the time. And we solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 20 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 3 stars puzzle. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again tomorrow on Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.